Here's another example where we are given a point and we are given a slope and we're asked to write it in slope-intercept form. So I always like to start here in point-slope form. And I always like to write it down just so it keeps me in the loop of, what I'm actually looking for. This is my x1, y1. So it's y minus 4 is equal to 2/3. And then it's x minus a negative 3 or plus 3. So now I have to, that was step number 1. Step number 2 is to now make it into slope-intercept form. So I've got y minus 4 is equal to 2/3 x plus 2. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and that leaves me with y is equal to 2/3 x plus 6, which is in slope-intercept form.